guys, so today I'm going to be doing, whoa, almost fell. I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine. So to start off, I'm going to use my makeup wipes. These are the Target brand of the Neutrogena wipes. I really like them. I feel like they're a little bit more moist than the regular Neutrogena ones. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah. So I just take my makeup wipes. Oh, I forgot I have lashes on. So I like to take my lashes off just like this. Woo. And then the other one. And then just wipe it off. And just toss it. So step 2 would be for me to use this Sibu Sea Berry Therapy Cleansing Face and Body Bar. I actually came across this when I was working at a pharmacy. I actually heard things about the sea buckthorn oil, which is good for acne. And I used to have like little bumps, like little tiny bumps. It wouldn't even be like pimples, but just little tiny bumps on my face. I started using it, I want to say like in May, and I feel like it's helped. I still get pimples here and there, of course, but it has made it so I don't have as much acne. But we're gonna just wet our face. Washing my face twice, I like to do it twice because I feel like when you wash it the first time, you still have makeup on, so when you wash it the second time, you know for sure it's gone. So I'm just gonna wipe my face. So then I like to just make sure, because sometimes the glue does not come off your lashes when you put lashes on. As you can see, I'm still taking glue off even though I washed my face, and I still have some glitter on the glue. I don't know, like I guess sometimes they make it waterproof so it doesn't come off. So I just normally just do that and pull it off my lash so it can come off. As you can see, there's no more glue. So then after that, I take my Thayer's facial mist. It has rose petal water in it, and I just spray it all over my face. Sometimes I use the ordinary BHA peeling solution to just help with my dark marks, and it's very mandatory if you do use this to use sunscreen, because if you don't use sunscreen, it's like you're not really doing anything for your skin. And this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like blood, but yeah, when you first put this on, I'm not gonna do it today because I did it a couple of days ago and you're not supposed to do it. You're only supposed to do it like twice a week because it's so strong. But yeah, when you put it on your face, if you use it for the first time, it's supposed to burn, especially if you have sensitive skin, and which I do. So, and you have to put it on when your face is dry. So yeah, after you put this on, I would normally go to my Good Genes lactic acid, and you just open it and squeeze a little bit there, and then you just rub it in to your skin like that. They always say like it's good for your skin, like to, if you're using moisturizer, to like push it up. So push your skin up when you put your moisturizer on, guys. But yeah, and then after that, I take my Pond's for dry skin cream. And I don't have dry skin, I have oily skin, but I still use it because I just feel like even though I have oily skin, it's still good to have your skin hydrated at night to help with, since your skin does the most work at nighttime. So I probably look like super oily right now, but that's fine. And then after that, I'm going to hop in the shower and go to bed. So if you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine, just like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye guys.